Dear students, now I'm going to solve a long question which is taken from the algebra of class 10, and it is very useful for the students since it carries 4 marks. The question is given as x square minus 1 by y square power p times x minus 1 by y power q minus p over y square minus 1 by x square power q times y plus 1 by x power p minus q. Dear students, in order to solve this question, we should use general formula of a square minus b square. Here you can see here is in place of x, suppose here is a and here is a, and in place of 1 by y square suppose it is the b. So you can say it looks like a square minus b square. That is why you can write this term as x minus 1 over y times, if here is minus you can take now here plus, x plus 1 over y. Now you can see here is power p, so p, it is power p. Now you can see that this term x minus 1 by y has the power q minus p. So you can write this term as it is, x minus 1 by y power q minus p, power q minus p. And now in the denominator, this term, this last term, you can see a similar process. You have to apply here. Here is a square, in place of y you suppose here is a, then minus 1 by x, suppose it is b. So you can write in the formula a square minus b square. So for this also you can write y minus 1 by x times y plus 1 by x power q, and the remaining term, this y plus 1 over x power p minus q is as it is. Now this power p is for this term and this term, so you can write separately x minus 1 over y power p times x plus 1 over y power p, and now this remaining term is x minus 1 over y power q minus p. And just below this term you can write similarly y minus 1 over x power this q, and y plus 1 over x this q, and this term is y plus 1 over x power p minus q. Now dear students, you can see that this term x minus 1 by y, x minus 1 by y, x minus 1 by y, x minus 1 by y are similar, so they can be written together. X minus 1 over y power p. That means this x minus y and x minus 1 by y will be common. This and this will be common like this. This power is p, and the power can be added, p plus q minus p. If you add this term and this term, we will have the remainder term x plus 1 over y power p. And just below you can see here, you can see that y plus 1 by x, y plus 1 by x, this term and this term are similar, so you should keep these two terms together. That means y plus 1 by x and y plus 1 by x can be taken as common, y plus 1 by x power q, this power p plus q, and the remaining term is this, that is y minus 1 over x power cube. Dear students, we have applied here a formula that is, if the base are similar, that is x minus 1 by y, x minus 1 by y are similar but power are different, that is x power m times x power n. If it is so, then we can write this x and x common, and then this power can be added, m plus n. This is the basic rule. This is applied here. So now you can see that this is minus p and this is plus p. This and this will cancel out, and this minus q and this plus q also will cancel out, and now you can see that this is x minus 1 over y power q times x plus 1 over y power p, and now you can see again here y plus 1 over x power p times y minus 1 over x power p. In this case you can write like this again. Here this x minus 1 by y and this x plus 1 by y. Now this y multiplies with x times y, you will get xy minus 1 over y power q times x into y, xy plus 1 over power p, and now x times y, x times y, xy plus 1 over x power p, x times y, xy minus 1 power now power p. Okay, now you can see that here is remaining x is remaining here. Okay, and now you can see that x minus 1 by y and power. Dear students, now you can see that this power p and power p, here is also power p, this term, this power p and this power p, and you can see that here is x plus 1, here is xy plus 1, this and this. Since power are similar, this and this power are similar, we can write these two terms together like this, xy plus 1 over y, and this xy plus 1, and this term is this one, and this term x plus y plus 1, x plus y plus 1 over x. Now since power are similar, you can write power p like this, and now this term x minus y plus 1 over y, x y minus 1 over x, here pp. And now wait, dear students, now you can see that here was a bit mistake. I had written here p, but it is q, and this also q. And now you can see that this term containing q, here also power q, here is also power q, and in the numerator you can see xy minus 1, in the numerator xy minus 1. So this one term and this one term can be taken, or sorry, can be written together, that is xy minus 1 over y by xy minus 1 over x and power should be q. This also, these two powers similar, that is q, so they can be written like this. Here students, you can see that this term this term looks like a by b over c by d. If it is so, it can be written as a by b times d will go upside and c will come down. So we should use this rule here. According to that rule, we can write this term x plus 1 over y times x will go upside, and this term xy plus 1 will come downside, and power p is as it is. And now this term xy minus 1 over y time x will go upside, xy minus 1 power q. You can see that this term has minus and this also has minus, so this and this will cancel out. Similarly, this term and this term will cancel out, and remaining term is x by y over p into here also x by y power q. Now you can see that these two terms are similar, x by y and x by y are similar, so we can take common x by y, and the power are different, so p plus q. Hence it is the required answer. Dear students, now I'm going to do another question, which is a short question, and it was found in the search engine. Okay, the question is given by, if 3 power x minus y is equal to 81 and 3 power x plus y is equal to say 729, then find the value of x. So the solution of this question is, we have 3 power x minus y, 3 power x minus y is equal to 81. Suppose it is equation 1, and you can see here 3 power x plus y, 3 power x plus y is equal to 729. Suppose it is equation 2. Since this and this are similar term, now you can see multiplying 1 and 2. 1 and 2. If you do so, you will get 3 power x minus y times 3 power x plus y is equal to 81 times 729. But you can see this 3 power x minus y, 3 power x plus y, between these 3 and 3 can be taken as base or common, and their power can be added. X minus y plus x plus y is equal to, it is the power of it is the cube of 3. It is the 81 is the power of what? 3 power 4, and it is the power of 3 power 6. It is because you can see that 81 can be is divisible by 3 only. 3 2s 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 1 2 3 4. That is, it is 3 power 4. Similarly, 7 to 9 is equal to 3 power 6. So here you can write this term, this plus term and this minus term will cancel out each other. Then remaining term is 3 power x plus x will be 2x. Sorry, this 3 and 3 can be taken as common. Their power can be added 4 plus 6. Or 3, again 3 and 3 will cancel out, and their power will be 2x is equal to 4 plus 6, 10. Or x will be here same, and 10 divided by 2 will give x is equal to 5 answer.